Hi there, my name is Sarah Staub. I'm going to take this minute to introduce myself, introduce the course, and tell you about what kind of resources I've put out on Classroom. I'm sorry I can't be there tonight for Parent Night. I'm hoping this at least gives you an opportunity to put a name to a face. So let's start there. My name is Sarah Staub. I've been teaching chemistry for I think 13 years now if I look back, and I've taught all different levels, from a regular chemistry course all the way up to a college course. Currently, I am a part-time teacher in Illinois, and I teach AP Chemistry this year. I have 2 courses of AP Chem. That's about me. About the course, I've got several goals for the course that I'm hoping that we can share. Number 1, I really want to provide an opportunity to have inquiry labs for students, and that term means an opportunity for the kids to come up with their own procedures, to see what the problem is and figure out their own way to solve it, as well as having an inquiry in the idea of, I'm going to show you something new that's in the world that you see every day, and I'm going to ask you, how does that happen? Like, what are the atoms actually doing? This is a new skill for some students as they don't think at the atomic level, so I want to bring that out of them and show them this wonderful creation that God has made for us, down to the tiniest molecule and the tiniest atom. I also want to give them opportunity to collaborate with each other, because that's what in-person is all about. I'm so glad that we can have that chance. A lot of students this year can't have that, and I'm thankful that I can be a part of that and really give them that opportunity. And finally, I want to make sure that they know how to write a proper lab report. I've got a lot of my students that leave my classroom that are so thankful that they know how to write a proper lab report, so when they go off to college, which some of your students may do, that they're ready and prepared for that. So I want to make sure that they have that as a part of their skill set. In Classroom, what I posted is my syllabus and a schedule for chemistry, and I'm hoping that kind of gives you a little bit more of an outline. It shows my goals, it shows my nature of the class. In other words, how do I envision the course to be? The in-class time will be lab time, where we'll collaborate, come up with labs. I've got all the materials that I'll need for doing these labs. So that's going to be the in-course part. The part that you'll be doing at home is more of the content part, the things that we need in order to do the full experiments. I'm always going to ensure that your students are with me, in other words, that they have the content knowledge to be able to do those labs. So I'll be there to double check those things. But how little or much you want to do at home is completely up to you. That's the nature of homeschool, and that's the beauty of it. So I provided lots of different resources, including videos, textbook problems, extra worksheets, tests if you want to do your own tests. I'm hoping those will be helpful for your student in their journey through chemistry. That's what you'll find on Classroom. If you have any questions for me, feel free to email me, and I'd love to hear from you. Other than that, I'll see you later on in September, and I hope you have a great night.